Welcome back to Crypto Spaces with what I think is a 10,000x gem for you guys. Now, this is a more high risk, high reward play. Please do not invest more than you're willing to lose in this project. This is extremely high risk. Look at this project as a lottery ticket. You either win the lottery or you lose what you've invested, okay? But why I think this is a 10,000x gem, I'll dive into it. This is a meme coin. First meme coin I've covered on the channel in a long time that doesn't have any real utility behind it, but it is a special meme coin. Why is it special? Well, first of all, it's not a Solana based meme coin, and even that in itself makes it special. It's an Ethereum mainnet based meme coin. There's nobody at all trading on the Ethereum mainnet as we speak. I don't see anyone trading on the Ethereum mainnet. It's only Solana meme coins. It's only Solana this, Solana that. Well, this gem right here stands out to me to the utmost, right? This is Charlie. This is the Charlie dog, which is in the official Ethereum GitHub. So GitHub is where developers or coders put in all their, different coding information and knowledge and know-how. So when Ethereum was built out and as time progressed, there's a GitHub mention of Charlie with the image of Charlie and videos of Charlie the dog in the Ethereum GitHub, right? Now, obviously, typical meme coin, the contract is renounced, liquidity burnt, supplies 1 billion tokens. I think Charlie is a multi-billion-dollar coin, or at least $1 billion meme coin, right? We saw what happened with Toshi. Everyone loves Toshi. Toshi is Coinbase's, the Coinbase founder, CEO's cat, Brian Armstrong's cat, right? We saw what happened with Myro. Myro is the pet dog of Toshi, which is Solana's co-founder, one of the co-founders, right? Charlie is the mascot of the Ethereum mainnet. Not a pet of Vitalik, a pet of Ethereum, right? The Ethereum pet in the GitHub, right? Let me show you guys 1 second. This is their Twitter. Not much happening on the Twitter, 500 followers. Nobody really paying attention to this. I'm one of the only people paying attention to this. But if you take a look, Charlie is a hidden dog in the Ethereum GitHub and blog. He helps Ethereum. Look at this right here. Charlie, love KZG, chaotic good, helps Ethereum. This is the official Ethereum GitHub. If you type in GitHub/Ethereum, this is what you open, right? GitHub.com/Ethereum. This is where all the coding into the number one proof of stake layer 1 blockchain with smart contracts. This is their official GitHub. This is the computer of the world, right? The world's computer, Ethereum, that has stablecoin infrastructure that was first built on it. BlackRock, stocks, on-chain stocks, everything you could think of why even Solana exists, because it's based on Ethereum's idea, right? Everything that you could think of when it comes to crypto, Ethereum, in my opinion, has accomplished it. It is the best blockchain. It's going to be here forever. And Charlie is right here in the GitHub, right? And there's other Charlie GitHub mentions as well, but here's Charlie the dog in the GitHub. Helps Ethereum. So when Ethereum starts to outperform, Charlie is going to be that meme coin runner on Ethereum, in my opinion. That is still very low cap, right? This is such a gem, guys. And as you can see right now, it's up 44% in the past 24 hours, but the market cap is still tiny. The market cap right now is only 114,000 market cap, right? The lows were in around 44,000 market cap. This is why I say this is very high risk, okay? Don't invest more than you're willing to lose, because it's very high risk, okay? But the lows were in around 44,000 market cap, right? You could get 1 million Charlie tokens for $115. That's it. Don't buy any more than that. Don't invest more than that. If you want to buy $1,147 to get 10 million tokens, you could do that. But I don't think you need more than 1 million tokens, because this is $1 billion coin. This is the only animal, dog, pet that is in Ethereum. Ethereum's GitHub. Charlie forever coded on Ethereum's GitHub and website, he's the true savior of ETH. The only dog. Right? I think, like, I knew about it back here when it had its massive pump, but it fell. But whoever is, you know, CTO, lead of this project, they're still pushing. Take a look at the Twitter, right? They just verified the logo in the Etherscan. They verified the logo in the Etherscan, and they verified your value. So when you buy it in MetaMask or whatever wallet you use, you're gonna see the value, and you're gonna see the logo, which is the picture of Charlie, right? Remember, the biggest memes this cycle, or the biggest projects that went from nothing to billions of market cap, what chain were they on? You can't say Solana. Pepe went to 11 billion market cap. What chain was it on? It was on Ethereum. Shiba went to 50 to 60 billion market cap. What chain was it on? Ethereum. Right? Whiff and Popcat, etc., Solana meme coins, Whiff only got to 5 billion market cap. Only 5 billion market cap. Fartcoin only got to 3 billion market cap. Pepe got to 11 billion market cap. And that's why I think Charlie goes to billions, okay? Multiple billions here for Charlie. And if you're just going to be conservative, 100 million to 500 million market cap, if you just want to be conservative. So that's why you only need $115 worth of Charlie, guys, because that's gonna be 100K at 100 mil market cap. Okay, I'm telling you guys, like, this project is not gonna go anywhere, because whoever is a CTO lead, they're running it very well. They're still here posting, they're still here doing their thing, right? I think this is gonna be a massive gem. Right now, let's take a look at why I brought up other projects real quick before I end the video. Look at Myro. Remember when, you know, we had the Solana meme coin boom? When we had the Solana meme coin boom, we saw Myro right here go to all the way to 368 million market cap, right? And it was just based off being Anatoly's dog, right? You see Toly? Toly is the co-founder of Solana, right here. There you go. Toly, co-founder of Solana, right? And it was based off Toly's dog, right? Myro, the pet, right? It went to $368 million in market cap. You take a look at Toshi, right? Let's take a look at Toshi. Toshi went to all-time high market cap, right? Look at this. Toshi went to, no, this is not even right. On chain, Toshi went to 1 billion market cap. Coin market cap is not showing how high Toshi went to, and people still think Toshi will go to 10 billion market cap, right? Look right here, 924 million market cap. What is Toshi? Who is Toshi based off of? Toshi is based off of the meme coin based off Coinbase co-founder Brian Armstrong's cat, right? Synonymous creator of Bitcoin, you know, basically Toshi, Satoshi, but it's based off Brian Armstrong's cat, right? And it went to 1 billion market cap. Right? Now you might think, oh, you're crazy for what you're saying here, crypto spaces. No, I'm not, man. These are the type of narratives, and people love dog coins, right? If meme coins ever come back, Charlie's gonna be one of those ones that could save your portfolio with just a little bit invested. That's what meme coins are. You invested a little bit, and then you get massive returns, right? So Toshi, and this is the thing, Toshi, they launched on Base Chain, one of the first base coins to launch, and then Base upgraded. They sent their contract to a V2, and it just kept building. And then they got all these tier 1 listings, etc., etc. They just kept building. And the same thing potentially will happen for Charlie, in my opinion. Same thing will happen for Charlie, man. I really do believe that is the case for Charlie here, right? So any entry here, in my opinion, is a great bet, right? Obviously, Brian Armstrong's cat. You guys know Brian Armstrong, man. He's the CEO of Coinbase, billionaire, right? billionaire right here, right?
If you just
Billionaire. And Toshi got to 1 billion market cap being his cat. Myro got to 400 mil market cap being Toli's dog, right? Let me go back to Toli real quick. So what does Charlie get to being, you know, Ethereum's, the entire Ethereum Foundation's pet dog, right? They probably keep they probably keep Charlie somewhere in one of the Ethereum buildings just to keep the you know, the happiness going, right? I'm trying to find a picture of Toli. Where can I find a picture of him? He got so many memes. I'm not seeing a picture of him. Oh, here we go. Toli and Mert, right? Okay. So if Myro did that and Toshi did that, I think Charlie will do the same, right? So again, high risk, high reward play. None of this is financial advice. Just buy 1 million tokens, what is that? $147, right? No, 114. Yeah, 114. $114, my bad. $115. 115, right? And yeah, just let it build, buy it, forget it. And again, view it as a lottery ticket. You wake up with wealth, or you wake up with zero, right? Again, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.